everyone, and a very warm welcome to TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha Mishra, your host for today's session. At TNV Academy, we believe that international standards are not just technical documents. They are powerful tools that shape governance, protect rights, and build a sustainable future. In today's highly connected digital world, trust has become the most valuable currency. Governments, organizations, and citizens are more digitally connected than ever before. Yet, trust is fragile. Today's topic, ISO 27701 and SDG 16, focuses on one of the most critical issues of our time: privacy protection and trust in digital governance. We will explore how protecting personal data is directly linked to peace, justice, transparency, and strong institutions. This session is designed to be simple, practical, and deeply insightful, even if you do not have a technical background. So let us begin this important journey of understanding how privacy builds trust and how trust builds strong digital societies. The digital world and the explosion of personal data. In today's digital era, personal data is generated every second. From mobile apps and social media to online banking, healthcare systems, and government portals, personal information is constantly collected, processed, and shared. Digital transformation has improved efficiency and access to services, but it has also increased privacy risk. Data breaches, unauthorized surveillance, identity theft, profiling, and misuse of personal information have become common global concerns. When people feel their data is unsafe, they stop trusting digital systems. This loss of trust weakens institutions and creates fear, resistance, and inequality. This is why privacy protection is no longer just an IT issue, it is a governance issue. Now, understanding SDG 16, peace, justice, and strong institutions. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 16 focuses on creating peaceful societies, ensuring access to justice, and building strong, transparent, and accountable institutions. It provides rule of law, reduction of corruption, protection of human rights, and inclusive decision-making. In the digital age, SDG 16 also applies to how institutions manage data, use technology, and protect citizens' rights in digital systems. Digital governance without privacy protection cannot be peaceful, just, or inclusive. Privacy is a foundation for democracy and justice. Now, digital governance and its impact on society. Digital governance refers to how governments and institutions use technology to deliver services, manage information, and interact with citizens. Examples include digital identity systems, online tax platforms, healthcare databases, smart city infrastructure, and e-voting systems. These systems depend heavily on personal data. If privacy is not protected, digital governance can become a tool for surveillance, discrimination, and abuse of power. Strong digital governance requires clear rules, accountability, transparency, and respect for privacy. Now let's discuss why privacy is the foundation of trust. Trust is essential for strong institutions. People trust systems when they believe their rights are protected and their data is handled responsibly. Privacy protection ensures that personal information is collected for legitimate purposes, used fairly, and protected from misuse. When privacy is respected, citizens participate more actively in digital systems. This participation strengthens governance, improves service delivery, and supports social stability. Without privacy, trust collapses and institutions weaken. Now let's have a look on the introduction of ISO 27701. ISO 27701 is an international standard for privacy information management system, that is PIMS. It builds upon ISO 27001, which focuses on information security by adding specific requirements for managing personal data. ISO 27701 helps organizations identify privacy risk, define responsibilities, manage consent, protect individual rights, and ensure lawful processing of personal information. It applies to both data controllers and data processors. Now, why ISO 27701 is critical for SDG 16? ISO 27701 directly supports SDG 16 by strengthening transparency, accountability, and institutional trust. It ensures that privacy protection is embedded into governance frameworks rather than treated as an afterthought. By implementing ISO 27701, institutions demonstrate ethical behavior, respect for human rights, and commitment to responsible governance. Now, privacy as a human right. Privacy is a fundamental human right recognized globally. ISO 27701 supports this right by ensuring individuals have control over their personal data. It promotes consent, access to information, correction of errors, and deletion of data when appropriate. Protecting privacy also protects dignity, equality, and freedom, core values of peaceful societies. Now, ISO 27701 in government and public sector. Governments manage vast amounts of sensitive citizen data. ISO 27701 helps public institutions improve transparency, comply with data protection laws, and build trust in digital public services. When citizens trust how governments handle their data, democratic participation increases and governance becomes more inclusive. Now, strengthening justice systems through privacy protection. Digital justice systems rely on confidential information related to courts, law enforcement, victims, and witnesses. Privacy breaches in such systems can destroy trust and fairness. ISO 27701 ensures lawful processing, confidentiality, and protection of sensitive information, strengthening justice systems and rule of law. Now, accountability and responsibility in digital institutions. ISO 27701 strengthens accountability by defining roles, responsibilities, documentation requirements, and privacy impact assessments. Institutions can demonstrate compliance and take corrective action when failures occur. Accountability builds trust and institutional credibility. Now, global trust and cross-border data governance. In a global digital economy, data flows across borders. ISO 27701 provides a globally accepted framework that supports international cooperation and consistent privacy practices, strengthening trust between nations and institutions. The private sector's role in supporting SDG 16. Private organizations play a major role in digital ecosystems. By adopting ISO 27701, businesses protect customer data, avoid unethical practices, and contribute to trust-based digital environments. Responsible business behavior supports strong institutions and peaceful societies. Now, empowering citizens through privacy rights. ISO 27701 empowers individuals by giving them rights over their personal data. When people feel in control, they trust systems more and engage actively in digital governance. Empowered citizens strengthen democracy and social stability. Now, challenges in privacy protection. Privacy protection faces challenges such as rapid technological change, lack of awareness, complex data ecosystems, and weak enforcement. ISO 27701 provides a structured approach to manage these challenges and adapt to future risk. Now, the future of digital governance and privacy. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, big data, and smart cities increase privacy risk. ISO 27701 prepares institutions for the future by embedding privacy into governance systems through privacy by design principles. Now, privacy as the pathway to trust and peace. ISO 27701 is more than a privacy standard. It is a foundation for trust, justice, and strong institutions. SDG 16 cannot be achieved without trust, and trust cannot exist without privacy. By implementing ISO 27701, institutions take a meaningful step toward a peaceful, just, and digitally trustworthy world. Thank you for joining me today on TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha Mishra, and I hope this session helped you understand how privacy protection is deeply connected to trust, governance, and sustainable development. As digital systems grow, remember that protecting privacy is not just about compliance. It is about respecting people, strengthening institutions, and building a better future. Stay connected with TNV Academy. Keep learning and keep contributing to a secure and trustworthy digital world. Thanks for watching.